some more?
Love it.
Yeah. Can't stop, won't stop. Okay, so we're getting ready to film the video. Definitely need drinks though. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here is where I make cheap, easy vegan meals and help you with the transition into your plant-based lifestyle. Today I brought my friend Bailey. We'll link her information below. We're both dressed as skulls with what we had at the cottage. So hello! Daisy just perked her head up. What is it? Do you see a ghost? Dude, it's my girl. And Daisy has her little Halloween thing that she got at the groomers, a little color. She's a little nugget. Also, I'll mention we're already a little bit tipsy, so this is
Spooky season.
Drunk kitchen cooking.
On for dark on non-stick cookie sheet. Place on ungreased cookie sheet. Okay. These are gonna be cool though.
What?
The smoked apple sage sausages, like super delicious.
A baking sheet is like, it's like wax paper.
Oh. Who knew that?
Do you know how to open these?
So, oh my god, there's like a very...
You know?
Yeah. So you have to twist it off. Yeah. I know this. I know. So here it is. See the thing right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah.
Oh, dog.
You have to peel it.
I'm gonna be losing all of this makeup by the end of this with my drink.
Okay, well, I don't think I did it exactly properly. Press on the line, twist to open. Yeah, so this is what I was saying. So you gotta press on the line. Oh, did you hear the pop?
Oh,
did you hear the pop? Okay. Like that.
That looks like a flaccid wiener.
We're gonna have to cut these, right? Because they're pretty small.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these into strips. Like skinny little strips. This is a tiny
Oh, okay, I see what you're doing.
And then we wrap them. Oh my god.
These
These are the worst knives in the world. Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
The presidential election's happening right now.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's a debate. It's a debate.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
He said he watched the president.
It's their first time debating, him and Biden. I'm just cutting these in half. I don't think you're supposed to, but I just figure it's easier if they're like laying
Oh, I can
flat.
smell the apple.
Yeah.
Can you smell that? That smells really good.
So I cut it like this. You can make them without cutting them in half. I just figure, I don't know what I'm thinking. They won't roll. Basically, the whole premise is just to take your like wrap. I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit. And then just like wrap it around your mummy, but like leave space on it to show the hot dog. Do it in the other direction. Just making my little mummy. That looks pretty cool. I just kind of feel like I should be spraying this too.
You do?
It said don't spray it?
Yeah. On a
Okay.
non-greased. Cute mummy.
I don't have a face on it though.
Do you have a cup over there?
No, that's what she said. What?
A cup?
No.
What does she want a cup for?
A cup? Why would I want a cup?
Oh my god. Cut away.
That way? Or, yeah, that way, right?
I would do the long way.
Really? Like
Yeah.
that way?
I think so.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
So,
Also, these are vegan. Who knew? The dough. What is it called?
Pillsbury?
Is it Pillsbury?
Pillsbury Doughboy.
Pillsbury Doughboy. He's woke AF. I'm gonna make a little space for the face.
Oh, mine doesn't look as cute as yours.
It will.
Okay.
I don't know how they did it. I think they used mustard. We should just put a sauce on at the end.
Ooh,
And then do little eyes.
yes.
That's a good idea. Just leave space for the eyes.
Okay. Oh, that kind of works. Oh, yeah. This is a fun activity.
Okay, like I kind of messed this one up. It just looks like a candy cane.
Can you tell quarantine's been really affecting us?
Yeah.
Oh, they smell so good.
They do smell so
Like, they
good.
actually smell so good.
The apple sage ones are the best.
Yes, like delicious. Like one.
Bailey's been talking about doing Sober October.
Yes.
And I was telling her that you have to, some things that you do are only fun when you're drinking, and you realize which things are not actually fun when you're sober. Going to the same bar as every week, seeing the same people that you don't necessarily like that much.
Not that fun.
No, it's not that fun sober. No, because it's not fun, but you can make it seem fun with alcohol.
Valid.
Slice it up. No. I feel like you can turn these into spiders. Ah.
I love spider dogs. You do one, I do one.
Yeah.
Let's see who can roll the best croissant.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby.
I'm already losing.
Weak excuse. Does she even know which side to roll from first? Don't look at me! Don't look at me! Oh, check out that croissant.
Mine might actually be better.
Yeah. Okay, well, we'll see after it's been cooked. Okay, where's the instructions again? Place on ungreased cookie sheet.
Okay.
So it says. Cheers for her hard work. 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. Woo!
We'll leave that in there for 20 minutes. Would you like to play a game?
I love Saw.
I guess we kind of look like mummies.
A little bit.
We
Kind
look
of.
like inside of mummies.
Yeah.
Would you rather be allowed to eat as much Halloween candy as you want for a week, but then have what's left taken away, or be allowed to only eat one piece a day, but never have it taken away?
I think I would, because I'm older, I would do the one piece a day just
Yeah.
to control myself. But if I was a kid, I would have had that reversed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
same.
Okay.
My sister used to do an inventory of all of her Halloween candy. She would separate them all, and then she would have a tally of how much of every single Halloween candy she had.
God.
So she knew
Knew.
if anyone took her candy.
Psycho.
Yeah, she is.
Okay,
Allison.
let me
Allison watches my
read you
videos
one.
first.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, this is a good one. Would you rather meet a vampire or meet a werewolf?
Vampire, because then they could turn you into living forever.
Ah!
And like Edward Cullen was like a
Twilight.
thing. Yeah. What about you?
I would do vampire.
Yeah.
Yeah, because werewolf, what's sexy about a wet dog? Right?
Would you rather eat all your Halloween candy or trade your Halloween candy for $10?
Eat all my hair.
Yeah.
Do we put a timer?
No. Should we check? Okay. Yeah, we should check.
Pause.
Not good at this. Not good at that. And then this part's optional. We just thought maybe we could drizzle a little bit of like cheese on it, just all over.
Mm-hmm. Vegan cheese.
Some vegan cheese. Some vegan eats. That looks so good. It kind of looks like papyrus, you know, like the paper they used to use, the cheese does. Okay, so we're gonna find out the moment of truth. Oh, it doesn't stick.
No?
They didn't lie to us.
Oh, there we go.
Awesome. Oh my god, it's so messy. Shoot, but yeah, that looks really good.
A little mummy. Are you spooky or what?
Make little eyes. I kind of messed up this one part, but if I like get just the little leftover part of the mustard, I can make these little eyes. Don't explode on me, please. Okay. There. That's like good. There's one. That one's decomposed a little bit too much, but dip it in.
There you go.
Yeah, that works. Nope. Okay, well, we got two that were good, and this one doesn't have a lot of space, but fudge. You know,
A homemade honey mustard.
it's just honey
And mustard. Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. Yeah, really good. Oh yeah.
That's really good.
I really like the sausage. Like the apple sage, you can really taste it. They're a good little appetizer. They're a good appetizer for sure.
I would love to be the person who just brings Halloween themed snacks to every
No, but I
event
guarantee
all year.
you, no man would try these and think that they were.
Vegan?
Yeah, exactly. They would be surprised.
I find when you tell someone before they try it, then they
Yeah, they don't
Look
want to
for
try
it?
it. Yeah, yeah, exactly. So
they're
it's
like,
that
yeah,
though.
I can tell it's vegan, but then if you don't tell them and you give it to them, they're like, what? I should do that for a video, real or fake meat. Can they tell the difference?
I'm a carnivore, so you can do me.
Yeah, we can do that.
Oh, you filled me up, Sam.
Filled you up with my sausage.
Yeah, legit. Stop.
Demonetized.
Oh, seriously.
If I was monetized, I'm not
Demonic.
monetized. Demonic. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like this recipe. I'm sure we'll have Bailey back pretty soon. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what recipes you'd like to see next. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Really enjoying that sausage over there, huh?
I love it. That's it. I'm tapping out. I need to go take a lap.